Plato once said, "The beginning is the most important part of work." Kay iyan bakasyon, makuri talaga bumalik umiskwela nga masyado ka na komportable ha imo comfort zone. Pero guti la na step at a time. Siring pa ma-unquote ni Plato, "The beginning is the most important part of work." Di nim kailangan maging super masipag na agad. Just by showing up, you're already growing. Hi Bees! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're here again with another vlog. Grabe, this is my first and last first day as a high school student. Because next year, college student na ak. Look how fast the night changes. Mind-blowing, right? Kadadagmit hit oras. Asya nga dapat, kinva-value natin tatan oras. Yan na, nagmatakinalaw para magluto himbunay. Para din ako magpinalit sa canteen for my lunch. Kung mapakiana kam kung what time ako nagmamata, usually I wake up at 4 a.m. para tanan ko na prepare takong pag-aon, takong bado, para ready niya for school. I know, mapaswit Philippines, pero grabe ka, hagkot na time. Asyang kailangan talaga mag-jacket. Nag-iinuuran kasi masyado. Asyang, I decided to use my brown jacket na hatag ni ate. Tapos yan na, that we are all set, maghahalat na kitbus. Sakto na 5:55, i-JM na biyahe mga 6:20. Pero anakon kinahulat talaga tida is MB, which is naagi mga around sakto nga alas 6. Pero asya nga net puno na, asya nga nakan sinakyan nala is MB. So, han pagdatang na naman dito sa eskwelahan, grabe kadadaman tao, may da papabanda ang school, grabe pakaangas. Tapos ang mga SSLGs, nagwe-welcome na herahagawa. Then, yes, nag-proceed na kadtuhan na amon room anay. Tapos, nabaroan naman ni Ate Angelica na may flag retreat pa pala, nakalimtan naman. Siya kinunto na kami. And then, nanakada na kami sa room. Grabe na mga classmate, nag-glow up. Sana all! Pero siya nga bawal kasi mag-cellphone habang ade teacher. Asya nga warak pa pag-video ang mga pangyayari. Pero, expected na mga at first day, dari pa to hate klase, puros introduce yourself, kay mga bago-it mga teachers, mga di nam kilala. Pero naman dati nga mga classmate, haralagya pa naman classmate. So, kahaman nam kumaan, nag-toothbrush na kami. Han kalop may vacant. At siya nga nakapag-video pa kami, han mga ganap. Darahan ka board, lagi mo kami podcast.
Good afternoon, everyone. We're here today to talk about our uprising vlogger. And her name is
Ruth Dinibria, and we are Zachary Rapiz.
I am James Sultana, and you're here today to listen to our podcast starring Ruth Dinibria. You know, as a kind person, you are always in this and that. They're always saying bad stuff. How do you cope with that?
Yeah, it's actually a very interesting question because not many people cope with bashers and haters. Yeah.
Sometimes they just rush out.
Yeah, sometimes they even tell themselves.
Yes, that's the most saddest thing of all.
So, what advice do you have?
Well, the advice I'll give is never give them energy. You know what? Because it's a waste of time. If you give your bashers energy, it's like you're putting in gasoline in a fire.
So you're saying just ignore them?
Yes, just ignore them. And you know what? The people who does that, if you understand them, behind doors, yes, behind doors, they are hating themselves so much that they project it to other people. So what I'm saying is, just don't give a F.
Yes.
Because if you realize they have the most hatred, yes, they have the most hate on themselves and they're just projecting it to you. So just, never mind.
So you're saying that those haters are
Hating so much about themselves.
and they're trying to cope with it.
Yes, true, projecting it to others.
Oh, that's
Yes, that's true.
I didn't know about.
Because you know, behind every bad people. There is an insecure, so terrible, like that. They're saying, oh, so ugly. And when they go outside to feel more comfortable, but then someone say, oh, you're ugly.
Yes,
See?
actually that's
They
true.
project.
What the hell?
What do you
Wait, no hating, no hating.
What do you mean?
No hating, just love. Okay? Love.
So, I think that wraps it up for our interview with Ate Ruth. And stay tuned for more interviews like this at
Jameson Plana?
and Zachary Rapiz. Follow our socials here.
Please like and subscribe.
Stay tuned for more podcasts in the future.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
After that podcast, tapos ang mga klasehan kalop, mauli na kami. Usually kami din hinakaan dumplings ni Ate Angelica kay marasa kasi dumplings nera. Tapos may pero mga fish. So cute. So, dili, i-rate na naman it pagkaan na dumplings. As expected, super delicious. Apakasarap guys, try nyo. Located in Dolores, Eastern Samar, kitang-kita naman sa mukha naming dalawa na napaka-yummy ng dumplings. Super, super duper. And I guess this is the end. Thank you bees for watching my vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!